Hello everyone, today we have a 2012 Cadillac CTS V. There's a 6.2 liter supercharged engine. Does have painted alloy wheels. Also has a dual sunroof, but as you can see this one's rare because it is a hatchback. Dual exhaust. See, there's a ton of space in there. Super nice, and this does have the blue brake calipers, which are just gorgeous. So, I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. This is a four-door, obviously. So I'll show you the back seat first. Shot of the VIN right here. Got your driver presets. You do have wood as well for the accents. Okay, come up here, you see that you have 63,215 miles on this vehicle. Here are your cruise controls and your push to talk, your stereo toggles. So right here you see that you have AM, FM, CD, and you can also use your auxiliary and connect with your phone. Come down here, you can actually drop that down so that it's out of the way while you're driving. You want to see your navigation, just go ahead and hit your navigation button, and there you go. You also have your CD slot right here under navigation, your destination configuration, and you come down here and you'll see that you have your climate controls, which I'm just going to go ahead and turn that down. You also have vented or cooled and heated seats, which is super nice. And then you also have additional power supply, stowage, shifter, park brake, and your cup holders, additional stowage as well, and additional power supplies. As you come up here, you're going to have your controls for your sunroof, and we'll go ahead and push that back. As you can see, it is a dual sunroof, so it not only has one that, there we go, that covers the driver's seat, but also the second row as well. So that about does it for the CTS V. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It does have a Bose sound system right there. It did have some damage here on the front and the middle, right there. As you can see, we have gotten all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.